Hey there, how's it going? Wanted to give you a sneak peek into our Operation Pro Cheer Challenge by sharing with you the workbook that you will receive once you register for our challenge. It is basically your 5-day game plan to go pro, and we cannot wait to get started. So make sure you go ahead and register. You're going to receive this workbook, which will walk you through the entire 5 days. This is just a quick little hello message from me. Then we give you some tips on how to get the most out of the challenge. So number one, attend live. It's really important that you come on board, you're live, you're engaged, you ask questions. We really want to make sure that we're able to answer the questions that you have specifically to you so that we can help you in a very specific and detailed way. Number two, go ahead and print out this workbook because you'll see in a second that there's a lot of fill in the blank opportunities for you. And then number three, at the end of each session, we want you to take action immediately. So you're going to have a play of the day, and what we have found is when you take small actions right away, you will get instant momentum so that you can start seeing big results on your journey to becoming a professional cheerleader. So day one, we are basically covering how to prep like a pro. We want to make sure that you avoid the number one mistake. We're going to give you specific things to do instead, and we are going to share with you our step-by-step game plan to go pro. This is our Pro Cheer Playbook framework that only our Pro Cheer Playbook lovelies get access to. We're going to share all of that with you as well. As you can see, there's another sheet for day one, so we have so much information to give. These are actually your success secrets to make sure that you avoid that number one mistake, and then you obviously will have a play of the day at the end of day one. Day two, we're going to talk about how to get noticed. It is so important during the audition process that you get noticed and that you are seen. So we're going to talk about the number two mistake to avoid and then give you actionable steps on how to avoid that mistake. And then, of course, you're going to have a play of the day for day number two. Then we're going to move into day three. Now, this is getting calendar ready, which basically means you are on your A game as far as your look from head to toe, as well as your nutrition, your fitness, and your stamina. So we're going to cover mistake number three and give you some top habits to live by to make sure that you are really prepared for your audition. And we're going to give you a play of the day for that. And we're going to give you another play of the day to get calendar ready because this is so, so important. All right, let's move on to day number four. Of course, you cannot be on a Pro Cheer Challenge without talking about dance. So we're going to talk about the number four mistake that you want to avoid. And then, of course, we're going to give you some actions to make sure that you are able to dance like a pro. We're going to give you some key elements and discuss in detail freestyle and how important it is that you practice this and all of the elements to make sure that your freestyle stands out. And of course, you're going to get your play of the day for day number four as well. Day number five happens to be my favorite day. This is our mindset makeover day. In my opinion, your mindset obviously controls everything and is the foundation of your success. So we're going to make sure that you avoid the mistake number five, and we're going to give you some pro tips to make sure that you set yourself up for success as it relates to your overall mindset. And of course, we're going to give you some actionable things that you can do immediately, and you'll have a play of the day as well. And then the rest of the handbook is basically just saying, hey, congratulations on putting yourself first. Congratulations on taking action and making sure that you have all of the tools and resources and a 5-day game plan to go pro. We are literally here to help you every single step of the way. So make sure that you get registered. As soon as you do, you will receive access to this workbook. You're going to want to go ahead and print it out, and then we will see you live every single evening in our Operation Pro Cheer Challenge.